stair-climbing electric wheelchair. Unboxing assembly video on. Open this backrest. Then it gets stuck here. Stuck here. Then unlock. This is the battery. The keyhole faces right is right. And there are concentric ones. Direction down when installing. This is the corresponding jack. When installing, be careful to cart it in place first. Push it forward, then press down. This is the controller. According to your usage habits, you can choose right-hand installation or left-hand installation. This guide rail is loose before installation, can be exchanged. Start aligning the guide rails. Start tightening the screws with the wrench configured in the attachment. This is the connecting plug. Align the red dot with the red dot. Just jam it with a little force. This is a backrest cushion. There is paste on the backrest. This is the bottom one, cushion on C. The same is pasted. This is headlights. Open it to adjust the angle. This is a foot pedal. Adjust the length of the pedal with the spring catch pin. It can be adjusted to the appropriate length according to your leg length.